Here we have a patch panel wired in star configuration that allows you to connect any CAN-based data acquisition unit with our CAN key. This is a 48-channel board that is a CAN-based device. And here we have a CAN key that interfaces all CAN-based devices with our gateways. Take one end of the CAN cable and connect it to the CAN-based data acquisition unit. And on the other end, connect it to any port on the patch panel. Once all your devices are connected, you can connect the CAN key to any port on the patch panel. For the other end of the CAN key, connect this to the gateway and readings will immediately start coming in. For instructions on how to use any of our other devices, check out our other instructional videos.